this is Dr. Mia. Today we're going to talk about story of herbal medicine. Long time ago, there was a very famous doctor in a small village because he is very skilled and very patient. So a lot of people really like to ask him to help. And even like the village around him, surround his small village, all knew about him. So one day he promised someone in the next village to help the person and treat the person. So he knew he's going to leave the village, leave his clinic for quite a few days. Then he prepared quite some different type of medicine and told the apprentice that here we go, and I'm most probably going to go for a few days, so this should be enough for whoever came to get help. So he left. Then after 3 days, 5 days, a week, the doctor didn't come back, so the apprentice was very panicked because all the medicine he prepared was all gave away, all hand out. So there's nothing left. But there's still lots of people came into and keep coming back to get more medicine. So he looked around the clinic and he found that in the yard they got actually a lot of 甘草. It's one of the herbal medicine. It's actually preparing to give away. So he took the 甘草 and chopped it into small slices and packed them like in one and another one small bags. No matter whatever condition the patient came in for, he just gave this away. And when the doctor came back, he told the doctor what he did. But the doctor didn't get angry, and especially all the patients with different type of condition, they took 甘草 and their condition improved so much. So he actually did a good thing. So this is a story about 甘草. 甘草is actually a very harmonized medicine. We use most of the formula to help all different herbs to work together better, have better results. And just used individually, it can work for no matter what type of the gastrointestinal condition.